Alright guys, mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. You get my point? So now just to work in, you can decide to any pattern you want to use. Understand, what you need is your face. So when you are done, you walk away and save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. Now on Capcut, click on new project. Understand, import the video you just recorded to Capcut. Now here is the video. So what I'll do here, I'll tap on the video layer. Now tap on split, then I delete the beginning of the video because this is how I want my own to start. So this particular point, I bend my head down here. That is where you tap on the layer. You tap on the layer and then you tap on split. You get my point? So from here you click on this effect button. You click on body effect. When you click on body effect, you allow it to open. Understand, I was having a little bad network. I get my point. So allow it to open. Then you tap on this search bar here. You tap aged, aged, AGED. You get my point? Then you click on search to search. Now this first one here, you click on this one here. So when you click on this one here, it will turn the person's face like this. You get my point? So you have to stick to the end of this video so you can see how to make the character older than what you see on screen. Understand? So at this point, what we'll do from here is for you to I will tap on the towards the end of the video. Understand? So I'll tap on the video layer, tap on split, then delete the ending part of it, or you can just adjust it. You can adjust like this, so you get to where you want the video to end. Something like what you see on screen. This maybe I will set it that way. Then you will have to import the video to your gallery. Guys, please like and share this video, comment if you have any issue. Understand, subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed. Understand, turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified when we drop another amazing video. Now click on done. When you click on done, click on new project. Import the video you just saved, the one you just saved, and just bring it back to Capcut. Now towards this particular point where you bring your head down, look at the old man right there. When you are bending your head down, you tap on the video layer. Understand, you have to tap on the video layer. Now tap on split. You get my point? Tap on effect, click on body effect. You get my point? Now on the search bar, you still type age. That's, you are repeating what you did so that the person you'll be more older than what you got in the first video. I don't know if you understand. So this is how you are going to be doing the video. If you want the person to grow more older, turn to maybe like a great grandfather, so you can do this like 4 times. But I did my own 3 times. You get my point? So I did it 3 times. So guys, this is all you need to know about this particular video, and I believe it's very simple. In short, everyone should be able to do it. So if you're a complete beginner and wish to learn about video editing, you chat me on WhatsApp. You get my point? So I will teach you everything you need to know about video editing. But take note, we need to strike a deal. You get my point? Not free. So that's just it, guys. Share this video on your social media platform. You know we need to grow. So see you in our next video.